Brian, creator of Lockout ID. I'm going to show you how to attach a Lockout ID to a standard Hardhat. There are three pieces in the attachment. We have the attachment, we have the attachment block, and we have a standard zip tie. The reason why these are all plastic is that if they ever fall into a machine, it will not create damage. So the first thing we want to do, we're going to take our zip tie and we're going to place it through the retainment block. And then we can take our retention clip and put that on. And there we go. So now that's the first part. The second part is we take off the double sticky tape. We take our Hardhat and we can affix it right to the side. Now, all we have to do here is we take our Lockout ID, once it is off a lock, and we're not using it, and then all we do is we push that slot right on, and now we don't lose it.